Yo,
Yo,
what's
what's up?
We are in Denpasar and it's just rainy, so we're gonna show you a little bit around the area of the local street food, and then we're gonna go to the mall, one mall in Denpasar, level 21 more. Meanwhile, enjoy.
So now we are in the area of Genteng Biru. This one is the world famous, Bali famous, especially in Denpasar. Like, you know, street food, and then yeah, the city center life in Denpasar. Unfortunately, it's rain, but still, you see, surround people are busy having dinner.
Still, I think many of the businesses are closed already because it's like 7 p.m. But it's rain, and when it's rain, it's usually more quiet than when it's not raining. But it's actually pretty nice when it's rainy. At least it's not that hot as during the daytime.
And like this one on the left side, this one is the famous seafood Genteng Biru. You see, like some people already there.
Yeah, it's actually not that bad. There are people, street food. People are more deep inside because obviously it's rainy.
So there are many kinds of food, and on the right side there is a padang, and also martabak, and also lalapan.
And also the gas bottle transportation. Okay, maybe we're gonna move around a little bit. Let's go to the main street, see. The rain is going more harder actually when we started.
So now we are in Jalan Diponegoro, Denpasar. Normally this road is super busy when it is not raining, but still, yeah, it's a big rain.
Big rain. Here is the pharmacy open 24/7 in Denpasar. If you have emergency, you need some medicine or something, you can always come here. And this is the one of the entrance to the mall and the one of biggest junction in Denpasar. It's beautiful rain, I could say.
Walking in the rain
It's actually pretty nice.
in the evening.
The air is very fresh, but the rain is quite big. You can see more likely when it's the lights from the cars. So upstairs there is the gym, fitness, but unfortunately at the bottom the business is closed. And then I think here is the Starbucks. Every mall in Indonesia have a Starbucks, or almost everyone. And there are many local people in the Starbucks.
Yeah, so this is how it is, the life in Denpasar city, no matter what is it called, weather. Is it raining
Or not,
or not?
there will
But
be
some
some people in Denpasar city to compare to the tourist places, like for example Kuta. Meanwhile, this is all Starbucks and many local people. Many people said I don't like Starbucks. Mostly European, Western people, American could say I don't like Starbucks, but Indonesian people love Starbucks. That's true.
Yeah, just like when you drink in Starbucks and then you can make a pictures or something, just like showing the practice or something.
Some sort of your status in your life. It sounds ridiculous, but this is in Indonesia. Actually, I think all developed countries in Asia have like this. Beautiful actually here, the lights, and this is the main street. Many banks around.
The traffic also seems like busy,
Yeah.
but it's not as busy as when it's not raining. Okay guys, so this is how it is. We are making vlog every single day, no matter what weather,
No matter.
rain, dry, hot, but we
Always.
are making for you.
Exactly. So you can like the video just for the commitment as it's raining. And I think we're gonna get to the mall now, show you how is it in the mall. And seems like in the mall it's quite busy today. So we are in the mall. At the front is the Wuling. This is this company of cars promoting their cars so badly nowadays. And in the mall, first look situation pretty busy and a lot of kids. Like we mentioned last time in the Bali Mall Galleria, the kids are now allowed to the mall, and also the elderly people, I think they are also allowed, yes?
Yeah, so why we go to the mall? Because yeah, like last
rainy.
time it's rainy, and last time some people saying that we have to showing Bali with people. So at this another occasion, we will show you the place.
Where are the people? And the
With the
people are
people.
usually in Indonesia in the malls, because this is the one of the main attractions, and it's aircon here, and it's not rainy, and in general it's some life around. At the front you can buy makeup if you want. Where are we going? We're going to Starbucks? No.
No, let's go upstairs.
Let's go up. Let's have a dinner or something.
All right, so you
Sayang
see that
is
this
going.
is the hustle and bustle life in city center in Denpasar. Even outside it's raining, but the mall seems so busy. So let's have a dinner then.
Let's go. And this is the area of restaurants in the mall. Hello, how are you? Guy was so happy. And this is the food court here.
And let's go to Bakmi GM. This is one of our favorite. And you see, full house.
Full house. It's actually very busy. That's unbelievable. Oh, I don't even know if we're gonna have a table here. Maybe we're gonna have food court in the mall. It's very busy.
So this is the first time I saw the mall. I mean, like the Bakmi GM in the mall is full house like this. Even that we sit close by each other, because last time when we were here like this, they don't let us to sit next each other like this. So yeah, this is how it is behind me. You see, full house. And we have been waiting for our food about half hour, and then the food's not coming yet. The paradox is just like when we walk outside, even at the street food, it's like not much people coming to the street food, but here inside the mall, you see, almost full house. So this is what we order. The Bakmi GM with the pangsit and damian. Hi honey, how's your food?
I always like this company, their noodles, so I think it's worth waiting. And I'm a little bit surprised that it's so busy today. Actually, it's positive surprise. So maybe finally I can start making the vlogs in different concept. But for everyone who wanna see the harsh reality, I will make a part 4. Don't worry. I'm still gonna find a place like this. But I'm really happy as it's busy around. Really happy.
So this is not paid endorsement. We're showing you the food that we like, and then the people surround so many people.
Yeah.
You see. So after we had our dinner, and then we decided to have a, like dessert. This is Damian's favorite, the crepes, and me also my favorite one. And behind me, you see that there is another online, like another GoFood or something, Grab food, but the new thing is just about the Shopee food or something. So this is how it is live nowadays in the mall. You see, like it's more alive if we compare with the outside. Even maybe some people were thinking like buying food in the street food probably cheaper, but in the reality is that so many people in the mall having a dinner nowadays. If you request us to showing you the places where so many people, I think that the places are the malls and the beach clubs. So yeah, this is how it is, the trends in Bali. So the place where so hype and many people.
Yeah, that's how it is. That's true.
Silver Queen and the crepes. I ordered chocolate cheese, and this is how they make it. It's very nice. Let's see. This is just like making the sweet martabak, but with the very thin and flat dough. Oh, look at that. So nice.
All right, we got our stuff. A little bit chill in the mall today. we showed you as they are people in some certain, oh sorry, that's our cribs, in some certain places are busy and some others are totally empty, and that's how it is. Currently it's still rainy, little bit less.
Okay, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.